Let's all try clothes on.
I'm trying on a dress and a hat. Oh, they fit!
You look beautiful. You must have this skirt too.
Wow! Thanks, Kangi!
Are you ready, boys?
Almost, Mum. I'm just putting on a shirt and trousers.
And I'm trying on a scarf and a cap.
Such handsome boys. And a coat for you too, Jojo. Look in the mirror. They fit and they suit you.
Mum, I look great.
You all do. Now, let's pay.
Charity! Hey! Come back!
We know what to do with your old clothes.
I'm not putting them in the bin.
This is not a bin. It's a box for charity.
What's charity?
When you give something to poor people. That's charity.
I love it. Now everyone will have clothes.